Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set iPhone camera format. So first, what you want to do is go to settings, then just scroll down till you see the camera app right here and go to formats, and here there are two options, which is high efficiency or most compatible. So on most compatible, it uses a JPEG file or H.264 video. So it has a smaller file but lower quality, and on high efficiency it uses a HEIF or HEVC on video. So this one uses a more HD quality videos and pictures. So you could pick up any of them here based on your preference. So for me, I use high efficiency. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.